Are you having a Nintendo Switch online not working issue? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your network status. You should ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet while downloading games. Make sure you are connected to a 5 GHz signal instead of 2.4 GHz. While 2.4 GHz is better at penetrating walls, it can get crowded due to various wireless devices using the same frequency. Switching to 5 GHz provides faster speeds and better reliability for online gaming. Connect to your router's 5G signal for an improved experience. The position of your router matters. Place it in an optimal location to enhance range and stability. Avoid obstructions like thick walls or wire mesh inside walls. Experiment with different positions to find the best spot for a strong signal. Method 2. Turn on and turn off the airplane mode on your Nintendo Switch. Open the Nintendo settings and search for the airplane mode option. Turn on the airplane or flight mode and wait for a few minutes. Then disable the airplane mode and begin your download process. Check if this could fix the issue. Method 3. Run a connection test. You can also perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch. From the home menu, select the system settings icon. Scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Method 4. Check the status of the Nintendo network. You can also check the Nintendo server status from the X handle, formerly Twitter, or the official website. If there is any problem on Nintendo's server side, then you can check it from here. In case you find the server is down, wait for some time till everything gets back to normal. If you get a Nintendo error after that, then proceed with the next methods. Method 5. Restart Nintendo and the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem and the Nintendo Switch. Here is how to do so. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch to turn it off. Then turn off your router or modem and detach all the power cords attached to the devices and from the source. Allow a few minutes to pass and then attach the power cord and turn on your router or modem and then turn on the Nintendo Switch. Method 6. Check your router settings. Ensure your router is compatible with the Nintendo Switch by checking the supported standards 802.11b/g/n/AC and security modes WEP, WPA, WPA2. If you have recently upgraded your router, ensure it is backward compatible. Method 7. Check your Switch's network settings. Head to System Settings, then select Internet. Next, select Internet Settings and select the current network. Choose Change Settings to reset the password or connect to another network. Select Clear Settings to delete saved network information and start over. Method 8. Reconnect to the Internet. Sometimes, due to an unstable network connection, you may have a problem while downloading an app or a game on your Nintendo Switch. So, remove and re-add the internet connection on your Nintendo Switch. To do so, open the system settings of your Nintendo Switch. Then choose the Internet option. Click on Internet Settings and then choose the network you are using. Then select Clear Settings. Then delete settings and confirm your action if asked. Wait for a few minutes and then add the Wi-Fi connection back. Method 9. Try a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 10. Ensure your console has the latest system update. Navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 11. Clear cache. Clearing cached files may also help fix the issue. Go to System Settings, then select System. Then choose Formatting options and then select Reset Cache. Confirm if asked. Wait for the process to finish and then check. Method 12. Make sure the network is compatible. If you have recently encrypted your home network or made any changes, it might have affected your Nintendo Switch's connection. To check compatibility, visit the official website for a list of supported wireless modes, frequencies, and security settings. If your network isn't compatible, consider adjusting the settings to ensure a smoother connection. Method 13. Check your Nintendo account. Ensure you are signing into the app using the correct Nintendo account and that the account has existing saved data for the game to access game-specific features. Also, confirm that Nintendo Switch parental controls are not set to restrict communicating with others. To check this, head to System Settings, then select Parental Control. Then select Parental Control Settings and see if there is any parental control. You can also sign out of your Nintendo account from the Nintendo Switch Online app and then sign in again. Method 14. Change DNS settings. Open Nintendo Switch settings and go to the Internet tab. Click on Internet settings and then select your Wi-Fi service. Click on Change Settings. Then select DNS settings. Change it to the manual option. Set the primary DNS value to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save your changes and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now check if you're getting any errors now. Method 15. Delete the Nintendo Switch Online app and reinstall it. If you're using the Nintendo Switch Online app on your mobile phone and it is not working, then you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Once you reinstall the app from Google Play or App Store, it should work now. And there you have it, the methods to fix the Nintendo Switch Online not working issue. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.